I swear that I thought there was gonna be like it was like underground tunnels or like.
No, it is. But it's an underground tunnel.
But it's for just like to drive in, not.
No. It's okay. Everybody stop. Shut up. Not you, Gravy, because you're the guest. You. Let me just say this. It's like a train, basically, that is able to accelerate to a speed that other trains are not able to through some sort of Elon Musk locomotive system. Okay, I don't know what the fuck it is, if it's electromagnetic, if it's clearly not jet fuel inspired, but in my eyes, it's a fucking pinball.
I have a question.
And a thing pulls back and just cranks
question.
you, bro.
Is there
That's
a chance?
fixing traffic somehow. That's
Yeah, because then you're not driving.